Today, I am going to take you on a tour of a new construction home on North Redondo Beach for under $2 million. Hi, I'm Ashley Novak with Novak Schultz Real Estate Group at Compass, and we get calls every day from people just like you looking to make us move to the South Bay and LA area, and we absolutely love it. Whether you move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us an email, shoot us a text, or schedule a Zoom. All of our information is in the description below. And if you want to know everything about living in the LA and South Bay area, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for more notifications. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of a new construction home located in the Villa South section of North Redondo Beach. And the Villa South section, if you're not familiar, is an area sandwiched between the Golden Hills and the El Nido neighborhood in North Redondo Beach. And I'm also going to link a tour above so that you can check that out and get the full rundown on all the North Redondo Beach neighborhoods. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, 2,950 square foot new construction townhouse. It's listed for $1.899 million. Let's go check it out. So in these new construction North Redondo townhouses, you typically have 3 levels. So in this home, the first level, when you walk into the home, you have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms down here. Then on the second level, you have the main living and dining area, the primary bedroom, and on the third level, you have the mezzanine level, which is kind of like a loft. And so this room in here, it has an ensuite bathroom and could be used as an office or a bedroom. In this location in North Redondo Beach, you're located on Flagler and Grant. The middle unit of this townhouse collection has already sold, and that sold for $2 million. The front unit, which is actually on Grant, which is a busier street, sold for $1.7 million. And this is the back end unit, which the end units are great because you get a small backyard area as well. And these are 3 townhouses together, and they are attached, but since this is an end unit, it only has 1 shared wall. And this is one of the bedrooms. This is the only bedroom that does not have an ensuite bathroom, but you do have a bathroom right outside the bedroom. And these are nice sized bedrooms with nice sized closets as well. And this is the second bedroom. I would say one of the downfalls of this property in particular is it does back up to an apartment building. So you don't have the same privacy in the room next door, but you could get some good blinds and shades, and that would help out with this. And this one also has an ensuite bathroom. And then because this bedroom doesn't have an ensuite bathroom, you do have a bathroom outside here, which is also good for guests to use. And then through the garage here, you have a nice 2-car garage. And this development site is actually front facing. So a lot of the development sites in North Redondo Beach, you have to drive back because they're one in front of the other. Since this one is located on a corner, you have a front facing lot, so you can drive right into your driveway, which is nice, and into your garage. And down here, you also have your laundry as well. And it is a laundry room. The washer and dryer isn't in there, but you have a separate space. And out back, you have a small little yard, which is really nice, especially if you have pets. And like I said, typically in these 3-unit development sites, the back unit's going to have a backyard and the front unit is going to have a front yard. And if you're not familiar with the zoning in North Redondo Beach, R1 zoning means that you can have just 1 unit on the property. For R2 zoning, for every 2,980 square feet on a lot that's over 6,000 square feet, you can have 1 unit. So typically 2 units because they're mostly 50 by 150 lots. And on an R3 lot, over 5,000 square feet, for every 2,500 square feet, you can have 1 unit. So a lot like this, a 50 by 150, you can put 3 units on it. And this location is great in North Redondo Beach. You're less than 2.5 miles to the ocean and the Hermosa Beach pier. And then you're also less than 1.5 miles to South Bay Galleria. The South Bay Galleria is not in its prime right now, but they're doing a $1 billion development that will be completed in the next couple of years. And if you watch the video above, I talk a little bit about that. So this is the main level, and this is gonna have your living, dining, kitchen, and your primary suite, as well as a powder room. And this is a very spacious area. It's very open. You have a fireplace here, tall ceilings, and you have the quartz countertops, the Thermador oven and range, as well as the dishwasher. You do not have the refrigerator in this unit, which is common in some of the newer construction. But if you do want the developer to put that in for an additional cost, they will put that in before you close typically. This unit is also, it's plumbed for air conditioning, but it does not have the actual air conditioning unit. Again, this is common in these new construction properties in North Redondo Beach. But again, if you talk to the developer, they'll typically put it in for you prior to closing so that you don't have to deal with that. And this is a great kitchen. You also have the under the counter microwave, so you're not cluttering up your countertops. You have lots of cabinet space as well. And you have this nice little balcony that goes right off of the living space where you can hang out and have some wine, put a barbecue, hang out with friends. So this is a really nice space as well. And there's also one upstairs. So in this unit, you're gonna get the backyard space and 2 balconies, which is really nice. And then you have a powder room here. And this is a nice size powder room. You get a full size vanity, you have good space in there. And then over here, we're gonna check out the primary suite. And you have a nice walk-in closet, and you have a fireplace in here. It's a nice size bedroom with tall ceilings. Again, you do have the apartment building right here, which isn't ideal, but you get some nice shades and put those up, and then you don't have to deal with that. And then here in the primary bathroom, you have the standalone tub and the shower. Pretty standard bathroom. They did some nice tiles in here, which is nice. And you have a nice skylight. You get a lot of light. Today it's kind of a bit of a gloomy day, which isn't common in Southern California, but if it was a sunny day, you would get tons of natural light in here. And this is really nice, this accent wall that they put here. And it's very different than what you see in a lot of the townhouses. I feel like they did a lot of different finishes because there are a lot of townhouses in North Redondo where you see the same floor plan and the same finishes. So it's nice to see something different. Then now we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna go to the mezzanine level. And the building codes do not allow for you to close this section off. But what a lot of people do after they move into the property is they close this off and they can make this into a bedroom. And, or you can leave it like it is and it's like a loft and could be an office or a game room. It's a cool area. And you have a bathroom up here as well. And you have another balcony off here. Man, walking up all these steps, you'll get a workout if you live here too. So you have some nice views and you can hang out up here, and you could put a barbecue up here if you wanted to. I think it'd probably be more beneficial to put by the kitchen. So thank you so much for coming on the tour with us. And remember, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us an email, shoot us a text, or schedule a Zoom. And if you just have any questions about the Redondo Beach area, we're here to help. We work with a lot of builders in the area. And even if there isn't a property that's on the market right now today, we have lots of new developments that are coming up in the future. We'd love to get you on our interest list and keep you updated on those. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you next time.